Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Manny. In today's video, we are doing the audio test on the Realme GT7 Pro versus the OnePlus 13 versus the Iqoo 13. So this is gonna be a really interesting one. So this is the Realme GT7 Pro on the left, and next is the OnePlus 13, and here is the Iqoo 13 over here. So first of all, let me start off from the audio settings, which is available for both of them, and we will be also telling about the haptics as well. So just go to settings, sound and vibration, and settings, sound and vibration. Same with these three of them, sound and vibration. So starting off from the Realme GT7 Pro, so we have the basic sort of settings, and then we have a microphone mode. That means the clear voice mode is available, so it's supporting the phone as well as Google Meet. And then we have sound effect settings, so we have smart, movie, gaming, and music. So let me switch the music. So that's we are going to test it right now. And then we have the haptics, so it's all haptics. So the haptic feedback is nice. Okay, let me compare with others to get a fair idea. And then so this is the sound effects mode which is available for the Realme GT7 Pro. Next is the OnePlus 13. So we have the base sort of settings, and then we have the same clear voice mode, and then we have the sound effect settings. Okay, the same thing is also available for the OnePlus as well. So apart from that, we have the same set of O haptics, same thing which you've seen. So both are same in this, we can see. And haptic is same for both of them, and you can see the same sort of settings for these two of them. And next is the Iqoo, which might be a bit different. So let me check. Sound quality and effects. Okay, there is one more option, that means audio super resolution, so I have turned it on. And then let's see, we have a super audio mode, and I have also switched to music. And now let me play music. Let's start. You guys are the judge. I will share my personal opinion. Anyways, you guys are gonna test this. So let me give a closer idea of the voice. So let me place it over here. So starting off from the Realme GT7 Pro. Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Swing those hips around. Okay, 108 was the maximum volume which is recorded, and now it's time for the OnePlus 13. First we are going to check the volume, then later on we've got the quality and the stereo effect as well. Okay, 109, a bit higher than the Realme GT7 Pro. And finally on the Iqoo 13. The day I die. Okay, 109 on the Iqoo 13. So 107, 108, and 109. So in terms of the loudness, volume, I would say these three are really nice. And if you can see very minor differences, that is negligible. Now let's talk about the quality of the audio and the related things. I will be comparing the Realme GT7 Pro and the OnePlus 13 side by side. Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better. OnePlus 13. Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head. Realme GT7 Pro. Hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. OnePlus 13. Up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Realme GT7 Pro. Actually, it's the OnePlus 13 is slightly better in terms of the audio quality, the stereo effect, and all. Approximately, I would say about 2%. That's it. Anyways, I'm now gonna compare with the Iqoo 13 as well. So again on the OnePlus 13.
Swagger down the street with your
Iqoo 13.
swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky.
OnePlus 13.
Red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Iqoo 13.
I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Out of these three of them, if you ask me which one was the best out of the all-round sound experience, then I would say obviously the OnePlus 13 is better in terms of the audio, especially in terms of what do you call the stereo effect, the quality of the audio. It's slightly better. And if you ask me about the margin, it's approximately 2 to 3% better than the Iqoo 13 and about 5% better than the what do you call Realme GT7 Pro. And if you ask these two of them difference, then I would say about 2% difference between these two of them. So the final first would be the OnePlus 13, second would be the Iqoo 13, and third is the Realme GT7 Pro. Anyways, I need to know how do you think about these three of them. Do let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's it today. Signing off. It's Phone Mania.